I consider a stall in weight when you have about 3 to 4 weeks of no weight loss, not slowed weight loss, like none, like zero. And it's sustained for about 3 to 4 weeks. So if you're in that place, sometimes I'll increase the dosage if we have room to go up, if it's a GLP-1 medication. So sometimes it means that we just need a little bit more of a higher dose. But I will also recommend seeing our dietitians as well as seeing our fitness consultant, because sometimes there's actually body composition changes happening, even though you're not seeing it on the scale. And so our dietitians and our fitness consultants can help you work through that. I also ask, are there other non-scale victories? That's what we call them. When the scale doesn't really move, but maybe your clothes are fitting a little bit differently, you're noticing changes in your body from how you feel and what you see. And so there's other things to think about just than the scale. I think we get very hung up on the scale. But if you're seeing positive benefits in other ways too, those are still wins. And